Geniuses.
Come on, blast. Let's go. Can't you see we're running late?
We're late. How do you know we're late?
Because here's my wristwatch and it's showing noon.
And do you know who invented the pendulum clock?
Pendulum clock? No, I have no idea.
His name was Christiaan Huygens. He was born in the Netherlands in the 17th century and was an important physicist, mathematician, and astronomer. Look.
Geniuses.
Once upon a time, there was a very dedicated student born into a family of Dutch intellectuals.
His name was Christiaan Huygens, and he was an important physicist, astronomer, and mathematician. Did you know that Huygens discovered Saturn's largest moon, called Titan?
And how did he do that? Did he have some kind of supersonic eye?
This place is amazing. I really love coming here and watching the massive cargo ships that arrive from all over the world. There must be so many things out there, so far from the Netherlands. Can you imagine?
Huygens was so eager to explore and discover new things that he started inventing from a young age.
I started by polishing lenses, researching, and studying a lot, always asking myself questions. With my lens polishing method, I was able to get a clearer image of the sky and, with it, discover Saturn's rings. After a while, I was also able to observe incredible phenomena like the Orion Nebula.
Huygens is considered one of the boldest scientists in history, who devotedly followed in the footsteps of other greats like Galileo and Descartes. Do you know them? You see, to be a great explorer, you have to keep asking questions. You should never give up and always keep investigating. That's what it's all about. Friends, let's get to work and start exploring.
Geniuses.